Welcome back, beautiful beloved souls. My name is Gem Stone, and I'm a psychic medium and I am an author. This channel is mainly commentaries, and I don't fit a particular niche. I look at anything and everything. Now, like hundreds of thousands of other people, I am glued to the story of Reckless Ben. Ben Schneider went to help a guy get his Lego back from bricks and minifigs. So I've gone to an AI and created a song, and it's called Karma's Got a Body Cam. Let's go.
Said I got questions, lots to ask. Now everyone's wearing masks. Files are flying, paper spin. Nobody knows who's gonna win. Lawyers marching, rumors race. Everybody's got a serious face. Redacted lines and blacked out ink. Everyone's scared to blink. Internet detectives working late. Refreshing pages running late. Karma's got a body cam tonight. Body cam tonight. Whoa, shining every hidden corner bright. You can run, you can hide, but the truth enjoys a scenic ride. Whoa, Karma's got a body cam tonight. Some folks cheering, some folks groan. Everybody's posting from their phone. Conspiracies are breeding fast. Every live stream tops the last. One guy says it's all a game, another says expose the shame. Meanwhile, Ben just hits record, surfing chaos like a skateboard. Documenting mystery, internet archaeology. Everybody wants the tea served in HD quality. Karma's got a body cam tonight. Body cam tonight. Turning shadows into flashing light. You can dodge, you can weave, but receipts are hard to leave. Karma's got a body cam tonight. Tick, 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 tock goes the courthouse clock. Everybody watching the block. Maybe truth will take its time. Maybe headlines are run facts online. But somewhere in a server stack, the past is trying to call us back. And every secret tucked away might decide to speak one day. Karma's got a body cam tonight. Body cam tonight. Everything looks different in the light. No matter who's eventually right, the story's one incredible sight. History is uploading frame by frame, and nobody's exactly the same. Body cam, body cam. Karma's got a body cam, body cam. Rolling to the credits, man.
That's it. I'll show you where I made the song. It was Make Best Music. It's a little app. You can see this little app in there. I'll leave it in the description where I did it. All right, let me know. Did you enjoy that song? Thanks very much for watching. Please, if you're going to do a comment, do so respectfully. If only the world was more tolerant, less judgmental, and more respectful, what a better place it would be. And I ask that you be kind to each other, smile at a stranger, and if you have able to cut my song, that would be great. If you could, if you've got what am I looking for? Programs that are able to cut just the song. If you could do that and drop me a link, and I would just upload that. Unfortunately, I don't have those programs. All right. Please be kind to each other. It costs nothing to smile at a stranger. You might just save someone's life. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves. You guys matter. You are special. You are here for a reason. Love, light, and blessings. Bye.